Lobatan o. Ẹ tún wá gbọ́ ohun tí ààrẹ Tinubu sọ. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá ní báyìí àsìkò ti tó láti kúrò nínú ìlú yìí o. Bí a fẹ́ bí a kọ̀ a gbọ́dọ̀ kúrò. Bí wọ́n fẹ́ bí wọ́n kọ̀ a gbọ́dọ̀ kúrò. Ju gbogbo ẹ lọ kò sí kankan tó ń jẹ́ wọ́n Nàìjíríà. Ní báyìí ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ti jáde síta wá pariwo pé gbogbo ìyà tó ń jẹ àwọn ará ìlú tó ń jẹ wá nílùú yìí kò ń ṣàwa nìkan náà ṣàwa nìkan là ń jìyà yìí ni gbogbo àwọn ìlú míì ṣàwà tó ń jẹrú ìyà tí wọn ọ̀dẹ̀ pariwo báyìí báwa ṣe ń pariwo yìí báwọn èèyàn ṣe jáde síta nìyẹn o pé irú kílẹ̀ ń sọ yìí ṣé àwọn yẹn lè máa jẹ ìyà based on ó pé bí àǹkan kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ní ìlú tiwa àtọwọ́dá ni o ẹ̀yin olóṣèlú lẹ́ ń fìyà jẹ wá tàbá sọ fún yín pé wọ́n Nàìjíríà ò lè gbé adébì kankan àwọn sọ pé gbogbo àlà ń jìyà ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ń gbádùn ṣáwọn ń jìyà ni ṣèbí wọ́n pariwo sí pé àwọn ìlú mi ń jìyà ṣáwọn ìlú mi ṣé báwọn ìlú mi ṣe ń jìyà ni àwọn olóṣèlú wa ṣe ń jìyà ni ṣáwọn olóṣèlú ń jìyà ni ṣé bí àwa ọmọ ìlú ṣe ń jìyà ni àwọn olóṣèlú ń jìyà ni ṣáwọn ò gbowó gidi ni ṣáwọn ò jóúnjẹ gidi lásìkò ni ṣáwọn ò wọkọ̀ gidi lásìkò ni ṣé wọn ò lè lọ síbi tó bá fẹ́ lọ lásìkò ni ẹ wá ní pé gbogbo ìlú ló ń jìyà ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ jẹ́ ajíkà má sùn Yorùbá nation ló lè ṣe ẹ má jà tanra wa Yorùbá nation ló lè ṣe ṣe ń gbọ́ so ìdáhùn tó fẹ́ fún wa rèé lórí ìyà tí gbogbo wa ń jẹ ìwọ tó bá yìí jókòó sójú kan tó ń pariwo pé wọ́n Nàìjíríà ìyà ló jọ pa all right my brother my sister no be small something o this one another one wey be say e dey reach us according to wetin dey reach us now na im make me call all my Yoruba people make everybody wake up say this country wey we dey so if you still dey join them dey shout to one Nigeria my brother my sister na punishment na suffer head na in fact you no go even get yourself na wetin go kpai you na im be that now everybody don dey react unto this one wey be say the presido come outside the come talk say we are not only the country facing suffering hardship let us tackle it together na wetin Tinubu cancel Nigerians na him come be this na him Nigerians vex you know my people now everybody come vex say oga yes we know say it is not exempted from global suffering but ours is leadership inflicted meaning say we know say suffer head dey say but the suffer head wey be say we get na our leader na dem carry am put for our head na dem cause all the suffering wey be say we dey suffer for inside this Agbodo according to Joe Jesime you say yes Nigeria is not exempted from global suffering but our own suffering is leadership inflicted. Nigerians are suffering because our leaders do not have empathy in their soul. Leaders are eating fat from our commonwealth. Aso Rock and then government houses enjoy free food, free vehicles, free everything. And now our leaders do not suffer anything. The cost of taking care of our leaders in Nigeria is the highest. Even the most advanced and prosperous countries are not overspending to cater for their leaders. We have a crop of leaders that are outrageously insatiable. You cannot tell your followers or citizens to endure sufferings when they have not seen any iota of suffering around you. Where is leadership by example in Nigeria? Shebi you see am we dey tell us say everybody dey suffer say the suffering na for every country say na everybody dey suffer am say no be only for Nigeria but you dey suffer. You know they suffer. You dey see food, free motor, free everything, free house, free everything, and you dey get. But the people then they suffer like say tomorrow no day. Say if you want talk say we dey suffer, that means our own leaders suppose dey follow us to dey suffer. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa kò ń ṣe kan kékeré àwọn èèyàn ti wá pariwo síta ń ṣe pé ìwọ òun pariwo pé ayé láàrẹ ń pariwo pé gbogbo ìyà yìí ṣe bí gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè náà ló ń jẹrú ìyà bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn pé irọ́ ni o pé tí orílẹ̀-èdè bá ń jẹrú ìyà bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ó yẹ kí ààrẹ wọn náà máa bá wọn jìyà ṣùgbọ́n lọ́dọ̀ tiwa gbogbo ààrẹ àwọn olóṣèlú gbogbo yìí ìgbádùn lẹ́wà oúnjẹ ọ̀fẹ́ ilé ọ̀fẹ́ ọkọ̀ ọ̀fẹ́ tẹ́ bá tún fẹ́ kúrò lórílẹ̀-èdè yìí tẹ́ bá fẹ́ lọ sí ìlú àwọn òyìnbó ẹ máa tún lọ plane ọ̀fẹ́ ló tún máa gbé yín lọ ẹ wá ń pariwo sí pé ẹ ń bá wa jìyà ṣé ẹ rí gbogbo owó tẹ́ àwọ́ọ̀dù fúnra yín ni ẹ wò ẹ má bá wa sọ yẹn o ẹ̀yin gangan lẹ ń fìyà jẹ wá nǹkan táwọn ọmọ ìlú ń sọ nìyẹn. Well, my brother, my sister, a lot of reactions keep coming in, and then as it stands, everybody is of the opinion that the only solution na to go our separate ways. Yoruba nation ló lè ṣe, Yoruba nation no going back. A lot of people were asking me some questions that Pilado, what all these people that are always talking about Yoruba nation, are you sure these Yoruba nation agitators, they are actually ready to leave the country? I just laugh. Say even you as you dey so where you dey suffer so you no ready leave. He say if they are ready, I'm ready. I say my brother, my sister, you better continue to be shouting no going back. Don't let anybody deceive you say na one Nigeria go do am, because all these people na for only their pocket then they fight for. You better continue to shout Yoruba nation now before it is too late. Nibayi àwọn èèyàn ti jáde síta, wọ́n ti pariwo síta o pé ẹ̀yin olóṣèlú tẹ́ ń pariwo pé ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo akájọ tákùlù ẹ̀ pọ̀, ẹ̀yin gangan dẹ̀ ń ṣe wá, ẹ̀yin gangan lẹ̀ ń mú wá gbẹ. According to Nnamdi Nwaeze, he made it clear that and the same leaders saying let us tackle the hardship and the suffering are the same leader looting the national treasury dry, buying cars worth billions for politicians who contribute nothing to the economic growth except embezzlement, going to foreign country with heavy expenses for medical treatment instead of building such world standard hospital in Nigeria. Okay, the reason countries have government is for the government to see to the affairs of the country. When the government of any country fails, that country is in one almighty mess. In a reasonable country, a corrupt leader like Tinubu will never smell the corridor of power. This is not about tribalism, as some of his tribe men will come to defend him, rather about having a working country. All right, this had been said by Nnamdi Nwaeze, official. All right, so according to Moses on this one, so well, the same sermon preached by Buhari, Nigeria doesn't have a truthful president again. I pity those people applauding failure. When our community starts praising our previous king, not because he did so perfectly, but then the president sitting king has failed woefully. Oh, my beloved Boo-boo, we understand better now what you were saying when you were in office. According to Omawumi Margaret Falola, say Nigeria doesn't have to be poor if other nations are more poorer. At least natural resources are lying fallow in our individual backyard. I think it's time our leaders wake up, as technology now move at speed of light, and then if necessary the yearning for restructuring be made this government priority. Our own case is different, Mr. President. Our own case is as a result of misappropriation of fund and then greed. Don't compare other country to Nigeria. Other country don't have half of what Nigeria has. Now, wow, see what our president of the country is saying. Those countries that are facing a hardship are not blessed like Nigeria. Just that we have a bad leader. Almost all our leaders are selfish. My brother, my sister, everybody don't talk am now. Ṣebí gbogbo àwọn èèyàn ti pariwo síta báyìí pé àwọn olóṣèlú wa ló ń fìyà jẹ wá o, àwọn ló fẹ́ bayé wa jẹ́ o, àwọn gangan ni wàhálà, problem, ìdààmú tó so mọ́ wa o, ẹ má da gbogbo ẹ̀rú tán o. Ẹ̀rìwò lẹ́kàn ń pa ni a ti pariwo fún yín pé Yorùbá nation ló lè ṣe o. Yorùbá nation no going back náà ṣì ní o níwọ̀n ìgbà tẹ́ bá ti tẹ̀lé Yorùbá nation tẹ́ bá ti ní pé ẹ jẹ́ ká máa lọ wá páwọn ará bí yìí nǹkan tó ń ṣe fún wa ò dáa ìgbà náà ló máa tó dáa fún gbogbo wa bí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ àwọn ará bí yìí wọn ò máa rí ti yín rò àwọn tó ń pariwo èmi ló kàn àwa ló kàn àwa kọ́ ló kàn kọ́ ló sọ èmi ló kàn ni wọ́n sọ. Yorùbá nation no going back, exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.